Hello everyone, wishing you a very happy, healthy, and prosperous new year. We have entered in 2026. Today is the 1st January 2026, and I hope you must have written so many resolutions. There are so many desires you have which you want to come true in this year. So, along with all those desires, I would like to tell you one more habit that you should have to do in 2026. So what is the most important thing whenever you are setting the short term goals and whenever you want to do some activities, that time you are just delaying that activity, you are prolonging that activity for tomorrow, for the day next week or next month also. So that habit is called procrastination. So if you have made the resolution that you are avoiding the procrastination habit, then definitely you can explore yourself in the next level, or you can excel in your life also, in your personal and professional life also. So if you want to improve yourself, if you want to develop yourself, then you should have to avoid the procrastination habit. So have a great and wonderful year ahead. Stay tuned and keep watching my videos. Thank you and happy new year.